Generally, we'll run into that problem with tank style water heaters, and they're both a little bit different. A gas tank water heater typically runs out of water faster than you would like it to when it has a lot of debris in the bottom of it. Manufacturers recommend that you flush your water heater once a year. Some folks don't flush it at all. Some folks wait until it sounds like it's making popcorn inside of it. And by the time you start hearing stuff rolling around in it, it's got inches and inches of garbage in the bottom of it. That garbage isn't the correct term. Inches and inches of scale in the bottom of it. It's just what happens when we heat water. Minerals fall out of it. They line the bottom of the tank. That takes up space that you would normally have water in. So your tank is normally 40 gallons, but I have 10 gallons of stuff in the bottom. Well, now I only have 30 gallons of hot water. When you go to use it, you'll notice it runs out faster. On an electric tank, that same thing can happen in the bottom of the tank, but also either one of the heating elements or the thermostats could be out, and then only half of that system is heating. Your standard tank electric water heater has 2 thermostats and 2 elements. If either one is out, the one that's left will still heat, but it won't heat well and it won't heat enough to get that whole tank of water up to temperature.